What if I told you that your mind has the power to attract money, opportunities, and abundance faster than you ever thought possible? If you've ever felt stuck in a cycle of struggle, watching others succeed while you wonder, why not me? You're not alone. The truth is, the key to unlocking wealth isn't about working harder or being lucky. It's about rewiring your mindset to think and act like a magnet for success. And here's the best part. With just a few simple shifts, you can start seeing real results in just 48 hours. Yes, 48 hours. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to harness the power of your thoughts, beliefs, and daily actions to transform your financial reality. So, if you're ready to stop chasing money and start attracting it effortlessly, stay with me, because your breakthrough starts now. Your beliefs are the foundation of your reality, especially when it comes to money. What you believe deep down shapes how you think, how you act, and ultimately, what you attract. If you believe that money is hard to come by, that rich people are greedy, or that wealth isn't meant for you, those thoughts become your reality. But here's the good news. Your beliefs are not permanent. They can be changed, starting right now. Take a moment and think about one belief you have about money that's been holding you back. Maybe it's, I'll never have enough, or I don't deserve to be rich. Now, let's flip that belief into something empowering. Instead of saying, I'll never have enough, say, money flows to me easily and abundantly. Instead of, I don't deserve wealth, say, I am worthy of all the abundance life has to offer. Write this new belief down and repeat it to yourself at least 10 times, morning and night. When you start to say it, it may feel strange or even untrue, but that's because your mind is used to the old story. The more you repeat it, the more your subconscious starts to accept it as fact. And when your mind shifts, your reality will follow. This isn't just positive thinking. It's reprogramming your mind to attract opportunities instead of repelling them. Start today and watch how quickly your perspective and your results begin to change. Most people spend so much time focused on what they don't have that they unknowingly block the flow of abundance into their lives. When you focus on lack, on the bills, the debt, the things you wish you could afford, you're telling your mind that scarcity is your reality. But there's a powerful way to shift this: gratitude. For the next 48 hours, I want you to try a simple experiment that can completely transform how you think and feel about money. Start by grabbing a piece of paper and writing down 10 things you're grateful for right now. They don't have to be big. Maybe it's the roof over your head, the meal you had today, or the fact that you've had the resources to make it this far in life. Now, here's the key. Revisit this list several times throughout the day. Read it out loud and truly feel the gratitude as if your heart is overflowing. Every time you catch yourself worrying about money or focusing on what you lack, stop and bring your attention back to this list. Gratitude is like a magnet. It draws more things into your life to be grateful for. When you spend 48 hours in a state of gratitude, you'll start to notice subtle shifts. Maybe it's a random opportunity, an unexpected gift, or even just a lighter feeling about your situation. This isn't magic, it's science. When you focus on abundance, your brain starts seeking it out. So, commit to this experiment, and in 2 days, you'll begin to see how gratitude can open doors you never even knew existed. Your mind is one of the most powerful tools you have, and visualization is the secret to unlocking its potential. The truth is, your subconscious can't tell the difference between imagination and reality. So, when you visualize a wealthy, abundant life, you're training your mind to believe it's already yours. This is where the magic begins. Take a moment right now to picture the version of you who has already achieved financial success. Imagine waking up in the morning, completely stress-free about money. Picture yourself checking your bank account, seeing more than enough to cover your needs, and feeling an overwhelming sense of peace and freedom. What does your life look like? What kind of home do you live in? What car are you driving? What are you doing with all the abundance flowing into your life? Now, here's the key. Don't just see it, feel it. Feel the excitement, the gratitude, the joy of living this version of your life. The stronger the emotion, the more powerfully your subconscious absorbs it. For the next 48 hours, I want you to spend just 5 minutes in the morning and 5 minutes at night visualizing your wealth reality as vividly as you can. Close your eyes, see the details, and feel the emotions as if it's already happening. By doing this, you're planting seeds in your subconscious that will grow into new habits, beliefs, and opportunities. You'll start to notice small shifts, maybe a new idea, an unexpected opportunity, or even just a deeper confidence in yourself. Visualization isn't about daydreaming. It's about creating your future reality in your mind, so your actions and energy align to make it real. The wealth you desire is already within you. This practice will help you bring it to life. Every thought you think and every emotion you feel is energy, and that energy is either moving you closer to abundance or pulling you further away from it. One of the biggest reasons people struggle to attract wealth is because their energy is leaking in ways they don't even realize. Think about how much time and focus you spend worrying about money, complaining about your circumstances, or feeling frustrated by what you don't have. Each of these moments drains your energy, leaving less of it available to create the wealth you want. But what if you could take that energy and redirect it? Starting right now, I want you to become hyper-aware of your thoughts about money for the next 48 hours. Whenever you catch yourself thinking something negative, like "I can't afford that" or "I'll never get ahead," stop yourself immediately. Take a deep breath and replace it with a positive statement, like "I am a magnet for wealth" or "Abundance is flowing to me now." The more often you do this, the stronger the shift in your energy will be. Over time, this practice rewires your brain to focus on solutions instead of problems. You'll notice that instead of feeling drained or stuck, you start to feel lighter, more hopeful, and even excited about the possibilities ahead. Energy leaks happen when we dwell on what we don't want. But by catching those thoughts and transforming them into something empowering, you not only protect your energy, but use it to create the financial reality you deserve. This small but powerful habit can create massive results, and it starts with your next thought. Remember, your energy is your most valuable resource. Don't waste it on anything that doesn't serve your success. And if you've ever wondered why some people make a lot of money easily, while you, even with so much sacrifice, study, and dedication, can't prosper, if you want to discover the secrets that helped me unlock my mind and go from debt to millionaire in less than 1 year, I have something amazing for you. In my new book, Rich Mind, I'm going to show you that getting rich is easy, and that what's really difficult is convincing yourself of it. If you want to put an end, once and for all, to your hidden enemies who sabotage your success and unlock your mind to make money towards the life you deserve, I will leave the official link for you to download the Rich Mind ebook here in the description and in the first comment pinned to this video. Dare to think differently. Let's continue. The way you start your morning sets the tone for everything you attract throughout the day, especially when it comes to money and abundance. Most people wake up rushing, stressed, or immediately focused on what's wrong in their lives. That kind of energy creates resistance, pushing opportunities and wealth further away. But when you intentionally begin your day with focus and clarity, you set yourself up to become a magnet for success. For the next 48 hours, I want you to try a simple morning routine designed to shift your mindset and energy toward abundance. Start by taking 2 minutes to list everything you're grateful for, especially things related to money. Maybe it's the fact that you have a job, the ability to pay your bills, or even something as simple as the resources that brought you here today. Gratitude aligns you with abundance. Next, spend another 2 minutes saying affirmations out loud. These could be simple yet powerful statements like, "I am worthy of wealth," "Money flows to me effortlessly," or "I am a magnet for opportunities." Speak them with confidence, even if they don't feel completely true yet, because the more you say them, the more your mind begins to accept them. Then, dedicate 3 minutes to visualizing your financial goals as if they're already achieved. See yourself living your dream life, experiencing the freedom and peace that come with financial success. Feel the emotions of joy and gratitude as vividly as possible. Finally, spend the last 3 minutes reviewing your top financial goals for the day or week. Choose one small step you can take today that moves you closer to your dreams. This simple 10-minute practice is more than just a routine. It's a signal to your mind, your energy, and the universe that you're ready to attract and receive wealth. When you start your mornings with this level of intention, you'll notice how much more focused, confident, and magnetic you feel throughout the day. Give this routine your full effort for just 2 mornings, and watch how quickly your mindset and results begin to shift. One of the most overlooked secrets to attracting wealth is generosity. It may sound counterintuitive. After all, how can giving something away bring more to you? But the truth is, generosity operates on one of the most powerful universal principles. What you give, you receive. When you give freely, whether it's money, time, or kindness, you're sending a clear signal to the universe that you already have enough. That energy of abundance creates a ripple effect, opening the door for more to flow back to you. Generosity doesn't have to mean giving large sums of money. It can be as simple as leaving a small tip, helping someone in need, or offering words of encouragement. What matters most is the intention behind it. When you give with a genuine sense of gratitude and abundance, you're training your mind to focus on what you have rather than what you lack. For the next 48 hours, I challenge you to give something, anything, with no strings attached. Pay for someone's coffee, donate to a cause you believe in, or even give your undivided attention to someone who needs it. As you give, take a moment to reflect on how it feels. Notice how the act of giving shifts your mindset from scarcity to plenty. Generosity isn't just about helping others. It's a powerful way to shift your own energy. When you give, you feel lighter, more expansive, and more connected to the flow of abundance around you. And here's the incredible part. What you give often comes back to you multiplied. It may not be instant, but you'll start to notice opportunities, ideas, and resources finding their way to you in ways you never expected. Generosity reminds you that wealth isn't just about how much you keep. It's about how much you're willing to share. When you embrace this mindset, you'll realize that abundance is all around you, just waiting for your permission to flow. While mindset is a powerful tool for attracting wealth, nothing changes without action. Your mind can create the vision, but it's your actions that bring it to life. The problem is that most people stay stuck in a cycle of hesitation, waiting for the perfect moment to take the next step toward their financial goals. But the truth is, the perfect moment doesn't exist. The only time you have is now. Taking bold action is the ultimate signal to yourself and the universe that you're ready for abundance. It's not about making huge, overwhelming moves. It's about taking the first step, no matter how small, with confidence and intention. Over the next 48 hours, I challenge you to choose one financial goal you've been putting off and take decisive action toward it. Maybe it's starting that side hustle you've been thinking about for months, setting up a savings plan, or applying for a new job that could transform your income. Whatever it is, don't overthink it, just act. The power of bold action lies in the momentum it creates. Once you take that first step, the next one becomes easier, and the opportunities start to unfold. Action also builds confidence. When you take control of your goals, you feel empowered, capable, and unstoppable. Even if it feels uncomfortable or risky, remember that stepping out of your comfort zone is where true growth happens. Each bold move you make brings you closer to the life you've been envisioning. Don't wait for the right circumstances or for fear to fade. Decide right now that you're ready to move forward and trust that the path will reveal itself as you go. Wealth doesn't come from waiting. It comes from doing. Your bold action today could be the spark that changes everything. Your mind is your greatest tool for creating the life you desire. And now you have the steps to start turning it into a magnet for wealth. From shifting your beliefs and practicing gratitude to visualizing your success and taking bold action, each of these steps is designed to unlock the flow of abundance in your life. Remember, it's not about doing everything perfectly. It's about starting today and committing to these small but powerful changes. In just 48 hours, you can begin to feel the shift, not just in your mindset, but in the opportunities that start to come your way. Now it's your turn. Which step will you take first? Share it in the comments below and let me know how it works for you. If this video resonated with you, like it, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more content that will help you attract the success and prosperity you deserve. Your journey to abundance starts now, and I can't wait to hear about your transformation. Let's make it happen together.